What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. We've got your art therapy sorted out for you this evening, as well as our affirmations at the end of the show too. So what are you waiting for, folks? Let's roll the intro. What's up, everybody? How is everyone doing? Hope you've had a good week and a good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch and motivational artist. I upload art therapy videos up on a Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesdays being a Zentangle pattern. Today's one, we are actually drawing this really cool pumpkin in a witch's hat. That's coming up in today's show. And I also upload a mandala pattern on a Wednesday. Last week's mandala video, if you didn't watch it, here is a quick clip. Very cool video, very straightforward, and it is also a step-by-step showing you all the processes of creating that mandala from beginning to end, showing you all the measurements, all the measurements that you're going to be needing, and all the pencil outlines that you're going to be needing to draw that mandala. That is now up on the playlist, so if you want to check it out, click that link that's just up there. And I also did another video last week, and that was a hair sketch. I was drawing a sketch of a lady in a ponytail. Here is the end result. And if you want to check out that video, just click that link that's just at the top there as well. Very cool video. It's not a beginning to end of the sketch, it's just the finishing touches of the last few stages of drawing that hair piece. So check that one out as well. So if you want to get any tips on how to draw hair, watch that video, or you can check out my how to draw wavy hair video as well. That is also in my playlist of how to draw. And moving on to today's art therapy session, we are going to be, like I showed you, we are going to be drawing this little pumpkin here. We are going to be drawing this. What you're going to be needing is a pen, some pencils, and an eraser as well. So what are we waiting for? Let's roll the video. And how was that for you guys? Hope you enjoyed that video. Give us a like if you did. And now let's move on to today's affirmations. Last week's one was a money affirmation. This one is well going to be another money affirmation for you. Sit back, relax, and chill out time. Close your eyes and get comfortable. Sit back and relax and listen to these words. I am financially free. I add value to other people's lives. The more value I contribute, the more money I will make. I am debt-free because money is constantly flowing into my life. I am open to receiving money in my life. The more I focus on joy, the more money I will make. I always have enough money to fulfill my needs. My capacity to hold and grow money expands every day. I am grateful that I can contribute my money to the economy. I am happy to pay my bills for all that they provide me. The money I spend and earn makes me happy. I love money and money loves me. The universe provides enough money for everyone. I always have more money coming in than going out. I deserve money in my life. My income is always greater than my expenses. I am grateful for all that money brings me. I enjoy managing and investing my money. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I always have enough money. I attract money to give to others. Money is energy and it flows into my life constantly. I let go of all my limiting beliefs around money. I let go of all my fears around money. My net worth is increasing. Money flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. My finances improve beyond anything I could ever imagine. I have the power to attract wealth and money into my life. I know anyone can be wealthy, including me. Every day I choose money and wealth. All the money I have brings me joy. Money is abundant and I attract it naturally. I am happy where I currently am. Money is unlimited and my prosperity is unlimited. I am worthy of a wealthy life. I love my abundant and positive life. The more I give, the more I receive. I thank the universe for the money that flows to me. I radiate prosperity, money, and wealth. Money is pouring into my life. Thank you for listening. Now slowly open your eyes. Breathe in deeply and feel more relaxed. Thank you again for listening. Peace out. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell, and turn on the notification so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out.